500 PCs Rectangle Guide Stickers Nail Form Shaper Styling Tools for Acrylic, UV Gel, and Polygel Nails Extension. Used by nail technicians, nail specialist, professional, home DIY use. There are length and numbers marked on each piece which can provide an accurate guide. Helps to avoid the nail polish to stain your cuticle and fingers. These nail art guide is self-adhesive and easy to apply. They are sticky enough to stay in place to get a sturdy seal for building a perfect nail extension. There is a certain distance between the two pieces form. Easy to take and to prevent the tearing of the next piece. No waste. This is suitable for most people's fingers. Can prevent nail gel from drying fast and protect your nails while painting them. Top reviews from the United States. They work. They stick better than some other forms that came in an acrylic kit I have that came with forms that look exactly the same. I don't know if they used a different glue or what, but these ones stick much better and don't fall off your finger. If you're learning, buy them because you will ruin a lot of forms.